Hey, let's try and see if we can find a Griffey rookie. 1989 Donruss. A couple other rookies, but really the only one significant. Speaking of rookie, he was hot for a while. Ricky Jordan, Jack Savage, Bob Milwaukee, Barry Jones, Hendu, Dave Henderson, underrated player. Lloyd McClendon, rookie. Brian Harbour, Rick Leach, Mike Schuler, rookie. Alex Sanchez, Kevin Blankenship, Keith Miller, Paul Mirabella, Jody Davis, and Carmelo Martinez. Well, I think I can officially say that one was a bust. 1989 Donruss.